This is Marjorie Edwards from the King's Herbals. I haven't done a live video for a while, so here I am popping in for a few minutes. I'm going to talk about two things. The first one's going to be really brief because I, too, have been having some problems. And so I'm going to share something I've got going on right now, and then I'm going to get back to one of the products that's on my website. I just put a blog there last week. So first thing I want to talk about is my hand. I've been having some problems with my hand. I had surgery there. That's what the scar is. That's healing still, to remove what's called a gangling cyst. Don't panic. It wasn't cancer. It wasn't anything like that. It was just something that was interfering with my joint. So speaking of that, because it was there so long for like over a year and a half, I'm still having some ongoing inflammation and pain. So I've been doing several things. I just want to go over some of that really quick. So for the pain, the best thing I've tried, pills don't touch it very well. I've got another pain relief in a roller ball. It works, but it's still not as effective as this is my personal one. It's called Essential Pain Relief. I should have gotten a better one out, right? So yeah, hold on. I can get one that I sell. Just a second. Okay, thank you for being patient. So this is the Essential Pain Relief 4-ounce jar. Sells for $22. Pick it up quick because it's going up to $25 very soon. So what I want to do is just say it has coconut oil as a base. That's what it's going to look like. And it has 12 essential oils in it, great for inflammation. So all I'm going to do is take that, because I really need it right now, and rub it into my hand. I'm rubbing it into my hand. I'm going to rub it into my hand real quick here, and then rub it down, because it takes care of all the tissues, the ligaments, the joints, the joint problem, the muscles, the nerves, and all that. So because I'm trying to keep it quick, I just want to show you that there are ways you can massage it down like that. Some people, I know somebody else that can do it like that on a massage. Really works effectively without risk of a blood clot. I don't remember what it's called, but that I would do that all over my hand. And then once you've done it a lot, I'm going to just go through some really quick stretches. So these are therapeutic stretches you will learn at the physical therapy. Just go like that 10 times real gently. And then you're supposed to go do that 10 times real gently. And then you just take your hand and move it back and forth that way. Just count to 10 on each one. And then you go like that 10 times. Count to 10. Breathe from your diaphragm to keep from hurting yourself more, because that's not the purpose. And then you want to go up like that. If you have a pillow and want to do it sitting down on your lap, it's better if you're more relaxed than I am right now. But anyway, that's what I wanted to show you with that. One other thing that is helpful, I do use bands. Those are helpful too. But I have a Therapeutic Putty right here. I'll show you real quick how to use that for hand therapy. Just twist it and pull it. Twist it and pull it. Do that 10 times. That's it. I'm kind of trying to hurry on this. And then you push it out like that. If it hurts, don't pull too hard. You don't want to hurt yourself more, but if you do that 10 times, it helps. So just keep pulling it. So that's all I'm going to do. If you have any questions, please send me a message. Send me an email at thekingsherbals2014 @gmail.com, or just message me on Facebook. or go to my website, thekingsherbals.com, and you can get hold of me that way too. So what I want to really do today, though, is talk about one of my blends. It's something that I needed to put on the website along with the blog that I did last week, and an update on the labeling and stuff like that. So this is called Stress Relief. Kind of hard to see right there on the screen, I know. But that is a 1/2 ounce bottle. My blends sell for $20 for a 1/2 ounce. This is a 10 ml rollerball bottle. These sell for $15, and I also have inhalers. I also can provide different sizes if people like. The sizes that I would provide, though, I do have little tiny things that are only like a 1/2 gram. Those are $5. So if you wanted to try something out before you bought it, you could do that. It's all on the website. So without further ado, I'm going to just get on to what it is. I got to do a couple things here. Hold on. I got to get back and forth here. Hold on. I got to get back and forth here. I got to figure this out. Just give me a second. Oh, well, the stress relief, I can start out with this. The stress relief, the oils in it are a blend of sweet orange, ylang, grapefruit, lavender, bergamot, frankincense, sweet almond oil. So it has a lot of citrus in it. It's also calming. So I was going to read some of the blog, but I can't get back to it from my Facebook page or from my website from here. I don't know why, but I can't. But I'm going to keep trying. So, okay, because I'm trying to keep it short and simple, I will do that. My daughter's coming by. So, for many people that suffer from emotional disorders like even depression, or just ever had a cranky day, and just kind of not wanting to bite everybody, but you end up doing that, even including yourself. So I kind of do identify with that as something that I'm working on. So I want to say that it's uplifting. It's will help lift you up out of anxiety attacks, panic attacks. Great stress relief for depression, fear, those kind of things. It also helps with memory and so it's also good for other kinds of stress triggers, as in those with ADD or ADHD, those with bipolar disorder, obsessive compulsive disorders, anxiety disorders, panic attacks, phobias, social anxiety, PTSD, and there are others. So there is it's on the website, and if you go there and click on the videos, you'll see the blog with the stress relief in it. The part of the brain that I'm going to talk about real briefly is called I looked this up, amygdala. I don't think I said that exactly right, but amygdala role in the brain, and there'll be a picture of it with the blog, or a site where you can go to see that. So our memory, it's the part of our memory which drives our fight or flight response. So what it does is it rebalances the chemical in our brain so that our focus changes and uplifts our mood. I don't know how else to say it simply, but I'm going to show you how to use it. So I'm going to put a couple drops in my hand, just like I put like 4 or 5 drops in my hand. You can do it with a roller ball too, but sometimes I like the drops. So you can put, depending on the diffuser, like 10 drops in your diffuser and diffuse that. I hear that the safest way to diffuse is 4 hours on and 4 hours off, unless there's children or animals in the house. If there's children, it's like 2 hours on and 2 hours off, and about the same with animals. You could go to 1 to 2 hours. You just don't want to overdo it because it can have an adverse effect if you do overdo it. So also with children or around pets, it needs to be diluted more down. So what I'm going to do is just show you for stress right here on the temples. There's other places you can put it on the on your wrist, behind your neck. You can put it behind your ears. And I always tell my customers, after you've done all that, if you've watched any of my videos before, you'll see that with my essential oils, this is my to-go. So I'm going to just cup my hand. I'm going to keep my eyes open, and I'm going to breathe deeply from my diaphragm. And so I could stay there for 5 minutes, but you probably don't want to watch me cover my face for 5 minutes. So let me see what else I can do to find more information for you. I'm just trying to find I'm going to go open up a new browser. So just give me a second to do that. I'll see what other exciting stuff you want to know. So anyway, if you're looking for a blog, my technician is putting the blogs in with the videos. So you have to click on the video link to see the blog. Well, hold on, let me see how this is going to work. Okay, so I had to scroll down quite a bit to find that. So you're going to, on the left, about halfway down, it's going to say Stress Relief Blend Ingredients and Benefits. You click on that, it will open up the blog. So it'll give your mind a mental boost. Also, so what happens is when you breathe them, when you inhale the essential oils, the molecules in those oils travel from what's called the olfactory nerves directly to the brain, and especially impact the amygdala, which I mentioned, the emotional center of the brain. If you'd like to know what it looks like, when you see it, it will be easy to understand why inhaling essential oils is beneficial. And I just showed you that. And so about in the first down, about 2/3 into the first paragraph, you'll see the link for that part of the brain. And if you want to know the botanical names, you can see those in the blog too. So orange essential oil treats spasms related to continuous coughing, convulsion, nausea, and diarrhea. So you want, in case of diarrhea, you're going to rub it on. In case of the others, you can just breathe it like I showed you. And in these symptoms, applying topically works best. Also has a sedative effect for winding down at the end of the day when you're at work or at home. It's a good time to take 15 minutes to diffuse it, as well as take a deep breath of the oil. Are you suffering from inflammation? The orange oil may help reduce the effects of inflammatory disease and replace over-the-counter sedative or drugs and on. So, and there's more on that on the blog. Then the benefits of Ylang are it's an antidepressant. It helps with dermatitis. It's antiseptic. It's a nervine or a sedative substance. And it helps to lower high blood pressure, is what the research says. It also says it can be used to treat dermatitis issues. So I want to say that. I want to go on. I don't want to go on the whole thing. I'll let you read it later. And then there's benefits to lavender, which we pretty much know is calming, healing, good to put in your bath. It helps to relieve stress and anxiety, promote restful sleep. It also helps to relieve acne and use for hair care, helps prevent hair loss and promote growth. And there was a Scottish study that done that shows that more than 40% of the participating patients reported increased hair growth. And then I love frankincense for cuts and burns and immune defense. Rub a drop or two on the heels of your feet. It's also a great pain reliever. Great for healing scars. And sweet almond oil has many benefits too. So I just want to encourage you. I will put the link to that blog with this video as well. But with that said, I am just going to say, if you have any questions, like I said, just comment, get hold of me. I'm sitting here in my living room just enjoying the day. I keep looking out the window because I'm waiting for my daughter, so that's why I've got to get off here. But if you have any questions, if you like the video, let me know. If you like more content in the video, please let me know. I guess that's it for the day. God bless you and have a great day. I am going to start getting outside and gardening because I'm planning on going to camping a little bit. Early mornings will be cold, but it's going to be beautiful during the day. So talk to you later. Bye-bye.